Another day, another Monday morning. Today's date is the 8th of May 2023. And right now, it's chaos. And this is the result of lack of water in various communities for a period of 1 to 8 months. Since this road work, there has been so many water issues. This is currently Zion Hill going to Sherwood. So currently Zion Hill is blocked, Sherwood is blocked, and Nonsuch is blocked. Water is a daily necessity and people cannot do without water. The schools need water. Recently, the schools are closing because they don't have any water. They don't have any water to use the toilet. They don't have any water to wash their hands. This is currently Draper's community. As you can see, every section of the main road is blocked. Nobody can get across. From Clear Spring Hub to Long Bay, lack of water. I have a pipe and I have to purchase water from the water truck. And I get a bill monthly. And you know what they said? I have to pay that bill because money run the country. So I am not getting water. So that means I have to give you free money, basically. In life, they will tell you the humblest calf suck the most milk. But in today's world, the humblest calf don't get anything at all. Them take disadvantage of that one. So people, stand up for what you want, because that's the only time you will see a change. The residents need water, not want, need water. And until they get water and feel comfortable, this chaos won't stop. The persons saying negative things, you won't know until you're in another person's shoe. So be careful, because one day karma might reach you and you would be acting the same way. This is going to be the third roadblock, right? And you know what the people them want? The people them want to see the MP direct on location so them can talk to the MP and voice them concerns. I mean, the third roadblock and the MP not present. That's what I say, it look bad. Like, not only on social media people want to see progress on them something there, but they want to see upon location for reason with you as an MP to citizens. You see me?
back, Rasta.
We're not moving. We're not moving.
See it there? If you never block road until you see water coming up pipe too much months, you know see, you watch it now. You have nearly unnecessary water bill come give you and no water now running on no pipe. See it there? Then I jump empty from when. See it? Then empty. You know see. I watch you now finally you get little water in the pipe. I don't know how long it will last. You know see. So I say go. Alright people. Yes, something make nice over there so. Cheap. Pay a year running a line over there now.
Water pressure high. You see that? So you tell me say, if the road never block, no water would come a pipe. Right now water there in our house. You see me? A long time I don't see that. I can bathe in a shower right now. Jaja. What you mean? Yo, I have to stand up for one. You see me I say? Road block. You see? Water come a pipe. Pressure hard. If the road never block, no water would come a pipe full up the drum them, you see me? Like, it no matter if you brown right now, you know, because you can cycle and use chlorine. But the same pipe, right now water all day in our house, you see it? Pressure good. You see? If you get results, you have to act.
A long time you don't see that, you know. Just